Hey guys, Jose here with the Chester Pot Company. Today we'll be doing a quick demonstration on how to properly perform a filter change on our Linis high efficiency RO in 10 easy steps. Hope you enjoy the video.
Step 1. You want to go ahead and turn off the feed valve. The handle should be facing away from the tubing. Step 2. In the same manner you turned off the feed valve, you want to turn off the tank valve. Step 3. After the feed valve and tank valve have been properly turned off, you want to open the faucet, relieving any pressure built up inside the system. Step 4. After the pressure has been relieved from the system, you want to go ahead and disconnect the lines. As you can see here, the lines are color-coded to let you know what line goes where. White is feed, yellow is tank, blue is faucet, black is drain. In order to remove these lines, you want to hold the collet in and pull the tubing out, as so. And now your system is disconnected. Step 5. You want to grab the inline, move it out of the way. You want to remove the carbon and the sediment housing so you're able to replace the filters. Each system comes with a wrench. You want to use the wrench to loosen the housing and then being able to remove it with your hand. As you can see here comes a carbon. In the same manner, you want to get the wrench in there for the sediment housing, give a quick tug to release. Then you want to loosen it with your hand, same as you did with the carbon. And bring out. Step 6. After unwrapping your filter kit, you want to place the sediment back inside one of the housings and the catalytic carbon inside the other. You want to start by putting the sediment in first, then the carbon. In the same manner that you took it off, you want to put it back in. Go in. Hand tighten as much as you can. And then get in there with a wrench and just give it a quick little tug to tighten. In the same manner, you want to grab the carbon and do the same thing. So you want to go in, hand tighten as much as you can, and then come in with your wrench and give it a quick tug. Step 7. You want to take the inline off the clips from the membrane and set off to the side while you disconnect the membrane. Membrane comes off the clips and you want to hold the collet down on the top to release the top. In the same fashion, you want to hold the collet to relieve the flow restrictor, and the same with the check valve. Once the membrane has been removed, you want to use a membrane wrench to take the cap off. Give it a quick tug and you should be able to just take it off with your hand. Once the cap is off, always make sure that the O-ring stays inside the cap. Very crucial to eliminate any leaks that may occur while doing your installation. You can use a tool like this or needle nose pliers to remove the membrane from its housing. When replacing your new membrane, it is very crucial that you wear a glove when lubing the membrane to put it back in the housing. You want to grab food grade lube as shown here. You want to put a little bit on the nipple and you want to put a little bit on the seal. Now you are ready to reinsert the membrane into the membrane housing. And then you can use your wrench just to give it a quick tug to tighten it up. So now that you've reconnecting your membrane now, you can get the water going to the in on the membrane, connect that to the top. And always remember that the black line is your drain or concentrate, And the blue line is the good water, also known as your permeate. So you want to connect your good water here. And then your drain here. All right. Step 8. You want to remove these fittings from the inline, as the new inline does not come with these fittings. Once you get your inline from your filter pack that you received, you want to connect the in on the fatter end of the inline, as that is your water in. And then the last connection is going to go on the bottom, feeding your faucet. Put the clips back on the membrane, clip your inline back in, and now you have completed your filter change. Step 9. After you've replaced all your filters on your Linis Pro system, you can go ahead and relocate it back under the sink and reconnect the unit. As stated in step 4, each fitting has its own color tubing designated for its area. So, the drain is going to be a black line. Faucet is going to be the blue line. The yellow is for your tank. And the white is coming from the feed. Step 10. Once you have completed connecting your unit back together, you want to go ahead and turn the feed valve on and the tank valve on. You want to let the system fill the tank, and you want to dump it completely before you start drinking water. After completing your filter change on the Linis Pro HE, if you still have questions or in need of any technical support, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at www.chesterpaul.com. Follow us on YouTube for our latest content. Thank you for watching.